Welcome to Tech with Kofi, and thank you very much for being here. So in my previous video, I spoke about how to download image from Google Earth Pro and georeference it in ArcGIS, but that was a KML approach. This video will focus on the Microsoft Excel approach. So the difference is that with the KML approach, in the last video, I downloaded imagery and a KML file, but in this video I am going to download an imagery and a Microsoft Excel file to do the georeferencing. So that is the difference. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so first you have to open your Google Earth Pro software, then you open your Excel software as well. So that's my Excel software. I am opening it. So when it is open there, then this is what you are going to do. In the Excel file, you have 3 columns: point, latitude, longitude. Do you get it? And you name the point A, B, C, D. So you have 4 rows: A, B, C, D. Then you go back to the Google Earth Pro software and you search for your study area. So this is my study area. Then I search for it. Do you get it? So it will take me there. When it takes me there, forget about this point. They are the points I used in the first video. So you zoom to your perfection. Then you can tilt it at the view part. You see, I have uncheck those points, so I am starting to select my point A, B, C, D for this video. You see, in the next video, after you select point A, then you just press OK so that it will go and save in the KML folder. But with this approach, after you select the A point, you have to save the coordinates, longitude and latitude, in the Excel folder. The Excel first, sorry, and that is what I am doing. So point A, its latitude and longitude, I copied them and came and saved them at the Excel file. Do you get it? Point B, its latitude and longitude. Point C, its latitude and longitude. Do you get it? So instead of saving the 4 points in a folder here, you rather save the coordinates of the 4 points in an Excel file. Do you get it? And the coordinates should be in decimal degrees. So if the coordinate is not in decimal degrees, you have to change that, and you can do that at the tool tab. So now this is point D. Then I copy the latitude, then I'll go and paste it over there. When you are copying the latitude, you make sure the degrees, you don't copy the degrees. Do you get it? 1 point something something. Don't leave the degree over there, then select only the figures. Do you get it? So now point A, B, C are ready. Then you go back and you save the Excel file in a folder you like, and make sure you save it in a CSV comma delimited format. Do you get it? CSV comma delimited. So you locate the folder, then you save it, you name it, then you save it. Once again, make sure the file is in a CSV comma delimited format. Then you save it. When you are done, let's check. You see, that is the Excel file saved over there. That KML is the one I used in the first video. Then you come back, then you save the image. At the map option in the first video, I said you uncheck everything. Then you choose maximum, then you save the image. Do you get it? Now the image is ready. When the image is ready, this is what you are going to do. You open your ArcGIS software. Now ArcGIS is opening. Okay, so it has opened. So the first thing you have to do is that you go to Arc Catalog and locate the folder, the image and the Excel in the folder you saved them in. Then you drag the image and the Excel file. You right click on the Excel file in the table of contents. Then you go to display XY data. leave everything, then you go to data, edit, then you choose your preferred coordinate system. Do you get it? When you are done, click OK, a question will come, then you say OK. You right click on the new Excel format that has come, then you go to zoom to layer, the point will come, then you can even change the color and the size of the point like I have done. Then you go to the georeferencing toolbar, then you click under it, then you choose fit to display, the image will come. Now you are coming to connect the point, so you select your point first before the coordinates. Then you come to point B, then you select point B, then you connect it with the coordinates closer to it. You see that sometimes it will be closer like this. You have to zoom in, then you select point C, then you select the coordinates. Do you get it? Let's see the last point. D and point D are closer. You zoom in, then you select point D, then you select the other one. Now georeferencing is done. So viewers, this is the Excel approach of saving image in Google Earth Pro and georeferencing it in ArcGIS software. See you in the next video.